Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to recover KuCoin trading password, updated. Start by confirming whether you lost only the trading password or lost access to your whole account and 2FA. Next, prepare your registered email, phone number, and any device used for authentication so verification goes smoothly. Avoid sharing codes or personal details with others. Follow the steps I outline and pause the video when you need time to complete each task. Having your details ready, go to the KuCoin app or website and navigate to Account Settings to request a trading password reset. Open the verification email promptly and enter the temporary code within the allowed time. After you regain access, create a strong, unique trading password and re-enable 2FA. Consider storing recovery codes securely and note any device changes that might affect future access to avoid repeating this process. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts through long trading sessions and sweaty commutes. Check the description for the link and other deals. I only share things I actually use. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If you cannot access your 2FA, collect proof of identity like ID scans and recent transaction records before contacting KuCoin support. Submit a detailed recovery request through the official support channel and answer all security questions accurately to speed verification. Be patient, since thorough checks protect your funds and can take several steps. Avoid flooding support with repeated submissions, which can slow the process for everyone and complicate your case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.